The 2018 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.